It's just been built up in my head and it just kind of scares me a bit. It's Friday evening. I've packed up work, the sun is out, the birds are singing. I've got several hours till dark. What joy! This is my first official training route for a very special event. And I am, of course, starting with a 350-metre hill straight out of the gate. Fluffy lambs. They're quite big now. Ever so fluffy. Very chunky. Okay, so for the first time ever, given that I live on the course, I'm doing the Dartmoor Classic this year. And I'll tell you why that's a big deal. Oh, lambs. When I've done this downhill. Oh my god. I'd forgotten how sharp this ascent was after the 5-second downhill. Okay, so the Dartmoor Classic is a special event. It's quite a major event in the UK Classics calendar, but it's a special event for me because A, I live on the route as I said, but also I've never done it, which seems crazy because it's all the roads that I would normally ride, just a longer ride on those roads. But it's big. I'm doing the Medio route, which is the middle one, and that is 100 kilometres. I can't remember what the elevation is. I think it's like 1900 metres of elevation. It's a lot of elevation. I've only cycled 100 kilometres, maybe twice before, and those were both routes I deliberately made as flat as possible. So definitely not 100k with 1900 metres of elevation. To me, I think it's just this, because I entered last year and was abroad in the end. It's just been built up in my head and it just kind of scares me a bit. Like it will be really hard. So I'm, I don't know, I guess worried that I'm not going to be able to complete it, or I don't know. I've just been putting it off for years, I think. So I'm finally going to do it. But what makes it even more special is that not only am I going to ride it, I'm also riding it and trying to raise money for the Devon Air Ambulance charity. Now, this is like a partnership that they have with the Dartmoor Classic. So whenever you enter, and if you're in the area and you want to give it a go, highly recommend you do. If you enter, you can choose to enter basically with a charity entry, where you pay your entry fee, like £65 or something. You attempt to raise £200 for charity, and then if you raise 200, then they refund you your entry fee. So my plan, hello cat, what are you doing over here? My plan, I'm not expecting a cat on these roads. My plan is to raise £200, get refunded my entry fee, and then donate that £65, whatever it was, onto whatever I've managed to raise. So I live in a pretty weird place, as I know quite a lot of you do because you live here too. Devon is one of the biggest counties in England. It's massive, 2 coastlines, an enormous moor, upland, open access, very exposed. But because it's sort of a rolling English countryside, it doesn't feel like a dangerous place. But my good God, the moor is a dangerous place. The whole of Devon, very rural. It's quite extreme terrain in many places, which means road access is rubbish for ambulances, great for cyclists, unless you get yourself into a crash, in which case not good for ambulances. So having air ambulances is big. It's a big deal. It's really important. And it's not just people who get into accidents, it's people who have found themselves in the moor in mental health crises, all sorts of things. And so it's a really important regional charity. So I just couldn't really resist the idea of taking on this challenge, which is so huge in my mind, and raising some money for them. Oh my gosh, this hill never ends. Oh my god, that was already 300 metres. Now just the last push to Haytor, and then that's the beginning of the ride, done with. Oh, let's hope we see some lambs on the road, eh? This hill, Haytor, the Haytor hill climb, is actually really early on in the Dartmoor Classic. It's a big way to start a big ride. If the weather during the Dartmoor Classic is going to be anything like this, it's going to be great. But it's Dartmoor, so it might be hailing, it might be freezing cold, it might be boiling hot, it might be mizzle, it might be complete cloud, not just cloud cover, like cloud, like we're in a cloud kind of cloud. I've ridden up here before and I can't see my hand in front of my face. This place is wild, which is why people massively underestimate it. Just before I left, I realised that I was in the evening, late afternoon anyway, and that I needed a front light. Couldn't find mine. So I couldn't find mine at all. And I couldn't find any front lights, which is mad. I saw mine like 2 days ago and I just have no idea where it is. So the only front light I could find was this one. I think it's an old one that one of my stepdaughters had. Years ago. So I've got this silly children's pink crap front light, but it's better than none. It's not dark, it's just, it's so bright that in the shadows it's obviously dark. Anyway, back to my original topic of conversation. If you would like to help me out in raising some money for the Devon Air Ambulance, I would be extremely grateful. I will leave a link in my description to the donation page. All donations go... Oh my god, there's a lamb on the road. I've got to slow down. All donations will obviously go to the Devon Air Ambulance. He's so cute, he's so little. Oh. So £1, £2, £5, £10, whatever you can give, I would be so grateful. Look at this guy. Oh my god, they're so fluffy. Tell you what though, the second you go out of the sun, it is pretty cold. Glad I brought my windproof jacket. Oh my god, I just found a surprise 16% hill. And to be fair, I've cycled up almost the entire thing. I don't know, just couldn't anymore. It just doesn't get any better. It's so peaceful. All I can hear are sheep and lambs. There are lambs in the fields down there, I can see them, they're so small. Way too small for this camera. And it's just amazing. The landscape here, so across here there's ancient woodland, ancient oak trees, and then there's just these granite boulders all over the place. This is the very edge of Dartmoor National Park. just granite boulders, outcrops of them with trees, like twisted, gnarled oaks. It's just wild. Thanks so much for coming on this lovely Friday evening ride with me. If you're in Devon and you want to do the Dartmoor Classic, I'm just saying, it's in June, it's there. If you are doing it already, please tell me in the comments so I can look out for you. Please tell me which route you're doing. If anyone would like to donate, I'd be really grateful. Link in the description. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one, which is not going to be in Devon. I'm going elsewhere. Stay tuned. See ya.